Said I'd call you back. I was tired, I was wired, I was stressed out. Had an idea to tell you everything I buried in my chest out. Told myself I'd keep a diary for the days I couldn't say what I mean. But all those blank pages look a lot like the spaces in between. All the things I never wrote down, they hit different now, echoing and quiet when I'm lying on this side of town. If I could fix up every word I held off, every truth I dug, every soft cut off, maybe you'd still be around. All the things I never wrote down. You said, baby, talk. I can hear the crack whenever you pretend. I brushed it off, saving every tear for a later I would never spend. Told you I'd keep a diary of the fights, of the laughs, of the scars. But I held out till someday, now someday just a ceiling full of stars. All the things I never wrote down, they hit different now, echo in the quiet when I'm staring at your side of town. If I could fix up every word I held off, every half-truth tossed, every soft sign off, maybe you'd still be around. All the things I never wrote down. I had an idea to say I'm scared you'll leave or stay, but I let it fade out, let the moment walk away. Now I keep a diary of could've, should've, might've been, every line a late apology. I can't sit on all the things I never wrote down. They hit different now, echo in the quiet like your footsteps fading out of sight. If I could fix up every